Hi, I'm Myron. I'm the lead consultant for SAP Digital Manufacturing at Delaware, Germany.
Hi, Donovan, lead consultant, machine connectivity in Delaware, Belgium. So we're standing here in front of our Delaware Smart Factory. What we have in front of us is an end-to-end process of a real factory. So we have on the one side, we have inbound, where the raw materials are then being delivered by truck. First step is that we identify which type of raw material we have. So it's typically your NFC scanner or your barcode reader. Next step is that the vacuum gripper will pick up the raw material and will put that in our automated warehouse. So in here we have the automated warehouse where we know what items are stored in there in terms of traceability. Next step, whenever we release a production order, is being picked up from the warehouse and it's being delivered to the inline processing station. Typically, we're doing the laminating there, and stuff like that. Next up, whenever the laminating is done, we'll move to the cutting area, and there for this area, we do typically the cutting or the slitting before it's then being passed to the quality inspection zone. So there we have a Vision ML model checking the quality of the produced goods. Afterwards, whenever the quality is of the desired quality, it will then be sorted, packaged before it will be shipped out to the outbound area.